How to fix Windows was unable to format your disk problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your start menu and then search for command prompt and then go to run as administrator, then select yes. Now all you have to do is first type disk part and then hit enter. After that, type list disk and hit enter again. Now, simply select the disk, type select disk and then write the disk that you want to format. Hit enter and now simply type list partition and hit enter. After that, go to select partition, hit enter again. Simply select the partition which you want to format, and after that simply type format space fs equal to ntfs and hit enter. Now your disk will be formatted. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.